Snap the side molding strips into place over the clips attached to the side of the unit. For side-by-side installations, refer to the Dual Installation section. Warning: shut power off at the circuit breaker before making the waterline connection. Purge the waterline prior to final connection to the unit. For units with an ice maker, locate the Quick Connect water valve and PEX tubing on the bottom right-hand side of the unit. To connect the ice maker water line, attach the union fitting to the copper house water supply line. Pull the PEX tubing toward the supply line. Remove the red cap. Then attach the tubing to the union with the nut. Tighten all connections. Recoil the excess tubing under the unit. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. In areas with water of high mineral content, an inline water filter is recommended. Make sure the filter is accessible for replacement when necessary. The first few batches of ice produced should be discarded. Allow 24 hours for proper ice production. Install the kick plate with the screws provided. In order to fit flush, some adjustment to the kick plate mounting assembly may be required. The kick plate must be removable for servicing. The floor cannot interfere with removal. The kick plate allows for ventilation. You may cover the solid area, but do not block the louvers. The panel may hang in front of the louvers, but baseboard molding must not cover them. Turn power back on to the electrical outlet.